Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the snake face filter in Instagram. So we are in Instagram effect gallery, and Instagram have different categories for filter. So most probably this snake face filter you will find in the selfie categories, or you can look in animals categories. Little before I check in selfies, I didn't find anything, but you can always go there and you can check in selfies categories. And let's go to animal category. I saw actually one here little before. Scroll down and search for snake face filter. Okay, it's exactly not what you are looking for, but I find one snake. From here you can try this filter, or you can save this filter to your camera. On the bottom right corner you can see this button. Tap here to save to your camera, and you can always search more, but I came to an end. I can't see more filter here. If you are having the same issue, you can't see all the filters available, then to find snake face filter you can go to my profile and you can go through my highlights. You can check this highlights snake, and here you will see the snake face filters. So on the top of this filter you can see this filter name and creator name. Tap there and you will see this pop-up. From here you can try this filter, or you can save this filter to your camera. Okay, let's check all the filter. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. You can find this snake face filter in the effect gallery, or you can check in my highlights. I'll be updating the highlight. If I find some more filter, I'll be keeping in this highlight. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.